So I recently bought a wooden chest online, and when it arrived at my house, it was completely broken. The planks were broken, the top had fallen off its hinges, the hinges had come out, all of the screws had come out, and because I couldn't return it, I was like, I need to get this thing back together because I need it for storage of my beaded pieces. So what I did was I started out with E6000 glue to try to put the planks back together, but they stunk. It stinks really badly, so I stopped using it and used super glue instead. When I pulled these planks off, they were so poorly held together with these teeny tiny pins that were super easy to remove once I used a plier to pull them out. So the first thing I did was I reattached the hinge that's on the inside, as well as super gluing and inserting the screws back on the back hinges. After that, I decided to take all of these off and actually re-glue all of the planks because they came off so easily. I also needed to sand some of this down, as you can see, because it was very gluey. So what I would do is I would add a bit of glue to both the edge of the board and also to the previous plank so that it can held together. It can be held together. That's what it looks like. So I'm approaching the end. I've been working on it for a while. It's starting to look really good. I'm really happy with how it's turning out. The smell isn't as strong as with the E6 as with the Gorilla Glue, which created really quick binding so that I wouldn't have to nail them in. This is the back as well. And this is when I finally finished gluing each one back into place. There was a little bit of a gap, but I didn't mind. This is what it looks like after I sanded and oiled it. I decided not to stain it at all. I didn't really want to do that work. And here's the inside, but all in all, I'm glad I decided to keep it and fix it myself.